ljudi! Hi guys! Bienvenue! My name is Magi and I'm from Croatia. You will find here on this channel a new video to help you learn 4 languages. In this video we are going to learn some basic French, English, German and Croatian expressions. In this lesson you will learn simple greetings if you travel to France, Germany, England, my Croatia or any speaking countries of these languages. First, we will learn how to say hi. The word for hi is English, hi. French, salut. German, hallo. Croatian, bok. Now you try it. Hi. Salut. Hallo. Bok. The word for good morning is English, good morning. French, bon matin. German, guten Morgen. Croatian, dobro jutro. Now you try it. Good morning. Bon matin. Guten Morgen. Dobro jutro. The word for good afternoon is English, good afternoon. French, bon après-midi. German, guten Tag. Croatian, dobar dan. Now you try it. Good afternoon. Bon après-midi. Guten Tag. Dobar dan. The word for good evening is English, good evening. French, bonsoir. German, guten Abend. Croatian, dobra večer. Now you try it. Good evening. Bonsoir. Guten Abend. Dobra večer. The word for good night is English, good night. French, bonne nuit. German, gute Nacht. Croatian, laku noć. Now you try it. Good night. Bonne nuit. Gute Nacht. Laku noć. The word for goodbye is English, goodbye. French, au revoir. German, auf Wiedersehen. Croatian, do viđenja. Now you try it. Goodbye. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Do viđenja. So guys, I hope this video was useful. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel because you really don't want to miss any lesson. Bye!